Alright, in this video, I will walk you through on how to turn off widgets in Windows 11 laptop or computer, okay? This can be annoying because sometimes when you're doing something and mistakenly your cursor gets here, you will see it will come out and I don't like that. And once it comes out, sometimes you start clicking here, it will not go. Maybe you're on another app. So I want to turn this off so that it will no longer be here. So let's go for you to see how it's done. First is that you should click on this start button, okay, which you can still call Windows logo button. So click there. When you click there, select settings. If you cannot see settings here, if you do not see it here, click inside this search and type settings, okay. It will show up as system feature, all right. So click on it. Once you're landed on these settings, you will be on the home. Okay, you can see that home here. Our interest is on personalization. All right, so take your cursor here and click on this personalization. On this personalization page, scroll down. All right, until you get to this taskbar option. All right, it's one of the options here. So click on this taskbar. On clicking on this taskbar, you will see some things that are made active on this taskbar area. This place is called the taskbar area, this bottom part of the PC. All right, you can see this one search is made available, which is this one. Okay, taskbar view is made available too, is turned on as well. Then we have widgets which gives us notifications on some maybe stock display, stock market display, and other features or weather and the rest. We want to turn it off. So take your cursor here and click on this. And you can see it has gone. So with this, whenever we are doing something, our mouse will not be going there again. Even if it goes there again, nothing will show up. We'll be free to work on some things we are working on. So that's it. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment if it helps in the comment section or you have further question. Okay? Thank you and see you some other time.